Meta finally dropped the long-awaited Quest 3S, putting all the rumors to rest. At the Meta Connect 2024 event, they revealed this budget-friendly alternative to the Quest 3. While it might not steal the show like Apple's Vision Pro, it brings VR technology closer to more people with its affordability. If you're looking to understand how the Quest 3S compares to the Quest 3, let's break it down and see what each headset offers. At first glance, the Meta Quest 3S and Quest 3 look pretty similar. The sleek design doesn't change much between the two, but there are subtle differences. The Quest 3S weighs 514 grams, making it just a gram lighter than the Quest 3. Both headsets offer great comfort, thanks to their intuitive Y-strap system, making it easy to adjust and wear. Meta improved the face cushions for better comfort, ensuring that long sessions of VR are less tiring. While the Quest 3 is about 40% slimmer than the Quest 2, the Quest 3S takes inspiration from the Quest 2 in design, making it bulkier but still very user-friendly. The Quest 3 uses fabric padding instead of silicone, which feels softer but may need more cleaning if you're into fitness-focused VR apps like Supernatural or Les Mills. When it comes to specs, both the Quest 3S and Quest 3 come with the same processing power, the Qualcomm Snapdragon XR 2 Gen 2 chipset. So, expect almost identical performance between the two. Both headsets support immersive VR experiences and are powerful enough for newer releases like Batman, Arkham Shadow Asterisk. However, there are storage differences. The Quest 3 comes with a 512GB option, while the Quest 3S maxes out at 256GB. Battery life? The Quest 3S offers around 2.5 hours, just a small improvement from the Quest 3. If you're in the market for a VR headset, the Meta Quest 3 is priced at $430, which gives you incredible value for VR and MR capabilities. The Quest store offers a wide selection of games and apps, making it a must-buy for VR enthusiasts. However, if you're on a tighter budget, the Quest 3S, priced at $300, offers solid performance without breaking the bank. It may not push the boundaries of AR/VR tech, but it's a great entry point for console-quality gaming and more. So, should you buy the Meta Quest 3S? Meta designed this headset to make VR more accessible. When you compare it to other high-end devices, like Apple's $3,500 headset, $299 for the Quest 3S is a steal. That said, don't expect significant upgrades in performance compared to the Quest 3. In fact, the Quest 3S sits somewhere between the Quest 2 and Quest 3, making it perfect for casual gamers or anyone looking to dip their toes into mixed reality. If you're after the best AR and VR headset, you might want to wait. But for those seeking an affordable, enjoyable VR experience, the Quest 3S could be the perfect choice. Let me know in the comments which one you're leaning toward. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech comparisons. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.